Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, southeastern Livingston County in central Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:20 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Colfax to near Gibson, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paxton, Fairbury, Gibson City, Forest, Chatsworth, Gibson, Belton, Luda, Roberts, Elliott, Sibley, Tauville, and Strawn, including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 262 and 271.
Another one.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WXK 24 Odell. Severe weather is occurring